Hi, my name is Mark. This is July 23rd, 2020. I'm installing a float switch for my 55-gallon sump for my hydroponic garden. The garden is so big, and the tomato plants are just so big that it sucks the water right out of it so fast. It's almost like 2 or 3 days and I have to fill it up. It's almost empty. And the problem is that if I I'm not paying attention, the pump runs dry, which is no good for the pump. And that pump was kind of expensive. I want to say it was like $70. It's a 1100 gallon per minute gallon per hour pump. Submersible pump. I got a spare because I was afraid I was going to burn it up, but I finally got some free time and I had the parts on order. They've been sitting in my living room for a month probably. This is a submersible float switch. It has 3 wire leads on it: a common, a normally open, and normally closed. I'm an electrician, so I'm going to talk as an electrician. If you need any further guidance on that, you should consult other videos. So I made a quick little drawing of what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold the camera steady here and kind of explain it. There's my power, my 120 volt hot lead coming in. I'm going to run one common through the normally closed and one through the normally open. And then what I'm going to do is I'm taking a single receptacle and I'm splitting the brass jumper tab. Don't do the neutral. You're just going to do the brass jumper tab. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the top half of this receptacle and the bottom half of this receptacle act opposite, which means that under normal conditions, when the sump is full, this is closed and this is feeding my pump and everything's fine. It's just running like normal. Should the water level drop to the point where this float switch activates or deactivates, however you want to say it, these two contacts change state. So this contact will open and stop power to my pump, protecting my pump. And what this is going to do is this contact is going to close, and it's going to energize this outlet, this half of that outlet, to an indicator lamp that I got. Real simple little 120 volt indicator lamp that I'll put on my deck so that I can see it from my deck. It's probably not going to be able to see it in the direct sunlight, but at least at nighttime I'll be able to say, oh, my sump is low. So what it's going to do basically, it's going to shut off my pump and turn on an indicator light to let me know, hey, you got to put some more water and nutrients in your sump. Side note is, because it's consuming so much water and it's in the heat, I'm running at like half nutrients and everything's doing just fine. It's just they're just thirsty. It's from the heat and the sun. So I'm not going to go through the whole construction of it all. Maybe I'll do another video just showing it in activation, because it would be a long video and I don't have anyone to hold the camera and I'm not going to take the time to edit it. So maybe I'll see you in the next video. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.